is eventually going to work if we can just have more fatherless.
Fabulous broccoli salad. Go right over.
I've never made this at home. I promise you. It goes with everything. Whatever you're grilling out, whatever's on the grill. Or I've had ladies for lunch or whatever, and we just serve that and have a little wine with it, and it's perfect by itself, too.
Perfect. And also,
This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.
3 hours ahead. You could. So this is the flavors have to marry and just meld. I always say years ago, we don't.
This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.
Guys, round of applause for my friend Babs. Her cookbook, Celebrate with Babs, Holiday Recipes and Family Traditions. Available now wherever books are sold.